the whole idea is that somebody that takes care of your teeth and your mouth is your friend. You have to trust that person.
Yeah. Everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am at the dentist. It is time for my yearly cleaning. I'm at Dr. Bea's clinic and I've been going here for like the last 2 years, and I'm really excited because I love going to the dentist. My dentist, she is so wise, and she speaks several languages: English, Serbian, Greek, French, Spanish. Now for the cleaning to begin. Dr. Ivana, can you share more about the importance of gum health?
Absolutely, because gums are an important part of the supportive tissue, and the supportive tissue is actually made of the bone, which is holding your teeth in their position.
Oh, wow.
So if your gums are healthy, it means that your bone is healthy and that your teeth are going to stay in their place. So very important is what you do at home. How do you maintain your oral health? So Blair is doing an excellent job with the electric brush, and it means like we are spending nice time just maintaining that from time to time, twice a year, and that's all there is to it. You don't want bacteria in your mouth. You don't want dental plaque or calculus. Absolutely.
I had an idea.
Now you have.
Learning so much about like oral and dental health in Serbia is like amazing.
Well,
I
yeah.
love it. I floss every day, twice a day. So.
That's a girl.
Yeah.
Well, it shows.
Yeah.
You know, even though Blair has crowding, she manages her oral health very
good.
well. You can actually get the extra quality prosthodontical surgical work because the truth is that Belgrade Dental University has been made upon the planning and program of Berlin Dental University, and most of the dental offices are using old German machines and materials.
Yeah, high-tech machines. The US, we're like so far behind when it comes to dental work. So you can get your teeth clean, you can get your teeth straightened. I know Americans have problems with like crowns and stuff. It's very
That's prosthodontics.
Oh, prosthodontics. Okay, I didn't know that term. Okay.
It is like the crowns and bridges. Crowns are made if your teeth are weakened for any reason whatsoever. It means that they have lots of fillings and there is not enough dental tissue to support any more fillings. Or if you have had root canal treatments or stuff. And bridges are made in case you lack some of your teeth.
Okay, great. Well, that's it, folks, from Dr. Ivana. She is the person to come to get your dental, periodontics, everything you need to have great oral health. Thank you for sharing.
Thank you so much for your confidence.
Now it's time for me to head home. I'm really happy. I'll be back here in 6 months, but I am very happy with my results. And I believe this office is so beautiful. Flowers, the art, the doors, everything is really nice. They have like a nice little patio. So definitely, if you're in Belgrade, come to Dr. Bea. Her clinic is amazing, and she's not only just doing dental work, but also doing dermatological work. So have a great rest of your day, everyone. Bye.